your project. So you open up Premiere first of all, and then you have to go new project, and then you have to go to your folder. And so my folder is on the vault. So I'm gonna go choose location. I'm gonna navigate to the vault, and you have to make sure you've had it open. And I'm gonna navigate to period 1 video, because that's where this particular folder is located. And I'm working on the Greyhound video here, so I'm gonna save it here. I'm gonna choose that folder. So this will save my folder there. I'm just gonna call this Greyhound Teach, since I'm using it as a teaching tutorial, and I'm gonna create it. Okay, so now I've created my project. Second thing is I need to bring in the video files. So I'm gonna go File, Import. I'm gonna navigate to that same folder. I'm gonna select them all. I happen to be holding down the command key to do this, and the clips are in there. Last thing I need to do is set up my sequence. So I'm gonna File, New, Sequence, and I'm gonna choose 1080p by 30 frames per second. I'm choosing this because I wanna have a documentary look. I'll always tell you what settings to use, but this is where you go to set it up. Leave all these other ones alone, just go for DSLR and the resolution I tell you to, okay? And then give it a name. So I'm just gonna call this Greyhound Edit. And there's my sequence. Now, to bring the clips in, as you know, you just can bring the whole thing in like that, which brings in the audio and video, or you can just bring in the video, or you could just bring in the audio. But I'm gonna bring in both. Now the settings of my clips looks like they're different from my sequence, but I don't want to change them, so I'm gonna keep existing settings so the sequence stays the way I set it up. Okay, and there you have it. By the way, notice that this is too small, that little side note. When that happens, you guys, just right click and scale to frame size, and you're all good. Okay, so that's how to create a new project and import the media.